What's up, guys? So today I got a unique video for you. I'll show you how to make Wikipedia look better in Mozilla Firefox. So in by default, Wikipedia looks kind of ugly, I'm not gonna lie. The table of contents is down here. You can click wherever you want to go on this page, but then to go back to the top, you have to scroll all the way back. Very unorganized, very outdated, but Firefox has an add-on to make this look way better and make your browsing experience way better. So you want to go to the top right here and click open menu and then go to add-ons. So click add-ons. And then in the top here, search Wikiwand. And then you want to download Wikiwand, Wikipedia modernized. Good old Wikipedia gets a great new look. 17,000 users, 4.5 stars. Click this guy. And then click add to Firefox. This is going to pop up. This is fine. It just asks for access to Wikipedia information from your browser. That's cool. Add. And then this is up to you. I would like to run it in private windows as well because why not? So, okay, got it. And now it has been added to my Firefox. So now I'm going to refresh this page and see what happens. Boom, it changes the top here, LeBron James, Wikiwand. And now look at what this looks like. So very easy to read. Now you can navigate the page on the left here instead of scrolling down to that ugly table of contents. It makes the page look more readable, organizes the data better, and overall makes Wikipedia a lot easier to use. So hopefully you guys found this unique video helpful. If you did, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.